Hi, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you location of cabin air filter on 2012 Ford Mustang. This is gonna be the same location for Ford Mustangs from 2005 up to 2014. Cabin air filter on 2012 Ford Mustang is located in front of the windshield on the passenger side of the vehicle under the plastic vent. So that's that piece. So to get to the cabin air filter on this Ford Mustang, you will first have to open the hood, then locate and remove two screws, of course if they are present, two screws that are securing the front of the vent screen. So this would be that one screw, and here should be another screw. In my case I'm missing that one. And to remove that screw you're gonna use cross screwdriver. So you just wanna unscrew it a bit, and then just you can remove and pull it out. You will have to do as well on this side, but in my case I'm missing that one. Now next step is to remove this plastic vent screen, and we'll do that basically just lifting it straight up. So you can just lift it up, and now as you can see underneath there are also some clips that attach to the vehicle. So you can see you have 4 clips, so basically those are out as well. And then you kind of need to play with it, twist it up so you can release that right hand side, and once when you have that part out you can just slide it out. Now when we remove that plastic vent, we have easy access and visual to our cabin air filter. So now you want to pull the old one out simply by just pressing on this housing plastic and pulling it out. So as we can see, we have very dirty cabin air filter, and you can see comparison with the new one. When you're removing the old filter from the filter housing, you can just press it out, but you should take a look at it and see the errors, those arrows, in which direction they are pointing. So you have to install your new one the same way. So we are installing the new one in the filter housing, also with the arrow pointing down. Now when we have new cabin air filter in the plastic housing, we can push it back inside. Just remember you have 2 pins here, and as you can see here there are slots for those pins. You want to align those pins with those slots so this cabin air filter fits there properly and it's secured. We have it all back in, nice and tight and secured. I want to put this plastic vent back in, so you're going to start from left side, so you want to push left side right there. Now just want to push this side down, make sure the clips are inside, fits good. Now we're gonna put back that trim screw. I'm gonna put it to this side. Now everything is back on, and this is how you replace your cabin air filter on Ford Mustangs from 2005 to 2014. Thanks for watching.